Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take in Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to block someone on Bereal. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Bereal app. It's over here. So let's tap on this. Now, in this top left corner, we can see this icon over here. If you tap on this, we can see all the friends here. Now we need to choose the friend. In friends, we can see all the friends we have got. I have got one. So let's tap on this. You can choose any friend you want to block. So let's go on to it. And in the top right corner, we can see these three dots over here. Simply tap on this. Here we can see this option called block Siddhants. So simply tap on this and click on confirm. So the person or the user is finally blocked. So this is all we need to do to block someone in Bereal. Now we won't get any Bereals from that person. So this is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.